Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Seago Insurance for Amazon Flex. First, open the Seago Delivery app and go to You. Next, tap Add Work Provider and select Amazon Flex. Accept the terms and conditions, then wait for the account to sync. This can take up to 30 minutes. Remember, you must also have a base social, domestic, and pleasure policy because Zigo provides extra delivery cover on top of that. Make sure your details match across both apps for a smooth linking process. And that's it. That's how to set up and use Seago Insurance for Amazon Flex. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.